Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will teach you that how you can turn any YouTube video into an infographic using Nano Banana Pro in Google Gemini. So you can open gemini.google.com. I just uploaded a previous video on YouTube about how to build mobile applications using Google Stitch. So we will use this video as a reference. So I will copy the URL, and here we will type now first of all in Google Gemini analyze deeply the content of this video, and here you can paste the URL of that video, and now press enter, and Google Gemini will analyze deeply the content of your video. So it is analyzing. As I told you, it is about generating of mobile applications UI using Google Stitch. You can see this video is a tutorial by Omer titled Stop Designing from Scratch and Use Google Stitch to Build Your App UI. It demonstrates how to use a tool called Google Stitch to generate professional mobile app user interface quickly using AI prompts. See, incredible how Google Gemini is analyzing and explaining about the video, accessing the tool, like how users can access it to go to stitch.withgoogle.com. Incredible. Prompt engineering, the core of the workflow, is describing the desired design in detail, and the presenter uses a pre-written prompt for an IT institute educational app with, yes, exactly. I used an IT institute educational app prompt, and role also, style also, I applied modern and dark mode theme. Incredible. So everything is in front of my eyes. We can see now the Google Gemini has analyzed it. So now we can select from here tools like create images, and now here you can type the prompt like create an image-based infographic that visually explains the concept discussed in the video. You can type this prompt, create an image-based infographic that visually explains the concept discussed in the video, and make sure you will select now here create images Nano Banana this time. Now click submit, and Google Gemini will generate an image-based infographic according to the content of the video, and it will visually explain the concept that has been discussed in the video. So using these two simple prompts, first you can analyze the video, that concept, and the content that has been described in the video. And now here you can see incredible. So you can see infographic. So designing mobile app UIs with Google Stitch, a 4-step process. So the video is about was about Google Stitch, and access and define prompt. You can see here there is typing and accessing stitch.withgoogle.com. Here you can see. Then AI generation and creation. So AI algorithms process detailed prompt to build UI components, and you can see then review and edit on canvas. On the canvas there was 6 screens in the video, and then you can explore and implement. I even explained how to download as a zip file, honestly speaking. So each and every step, Gemini has explained visually as an infographic about the video that I gave in these 2 prompts to Google Gemini. So this is incredible. So we can convert any video, any YouTube video, into an infographic using Nano Banana Pro in Google Gemini. I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Share the video with your friends so they can learn these new technology, these new skills, and they can increase their professional skills. Also, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you will get the notification of my upcoming video. Thank you so much once again.